Let's learn how you can change your keyboard color on iPhone. So let us start by opening our App Store. Here you will need to download Gboard in order to change your keyboard color. So go to Gboard and click on Get. Now we need to wait for it to install. When the application is installed, you need to click on Open, Get Started, enable this. So go to Keyboards and enable Gboard and give it full access. Now go back to Gboard application. Here you need to click on globe icon and hold it for 1 second. And now this will be your keyboard settings. You need to click on Gboard on it and click on Got it. Now you need to click on Themes, and here you can select if you want white, black one, or you can just download some other theme that you can use. As you can see here, this will be your new theme and you can type and do whatever you want with it. So once you finish with customizing your theme, click on done and you can use it. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.